Dear friends and followers, part 3 of a rebuilding series of a MK7 2017 Golf TSI. We are currently working on a front rail, and we have experienced one of the first issues that we are having, and that's a cheap Princess Auto come along. That's the first issue and only issue at the moment. So here we have parts car, and as you guys can see, the rail is at 41 3/8 distance between, and this one, which is under the pressure of this come along, is at 41 and a half plus. So we need approximately 1/8 of an inch plus to bring this rail back. But I just noticed that the windshield cracked even more. Look at this video. Yeah. Anyhow, so the goal for tonight will be, this gentleman wants to try to heat the rail brackets and to straighten them out, and I will try to remove the windshield. Let's see how far we can get with our plans. Once again, if you do enjoy this content and if you like what we do, we appreciate all your support. So consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and by hitting the notification bell button. That way you will be updated on all my current rebuild projects. Enjoy our rebuild series part 3.
I cannot
So as you guys can see, so at that point we realized that all the tools that we bought for that day are kind of cheap and not serving any purpose. So we kind of gave up, right? In the next sequence, you will see how we have assembled the front part, how we installed the radiator, and I've installed the radiator and headlights, how we added some coolant, and exactly the coolant I'm still kind of having a kind of trouble because on the specification they are requiring like I think 8 liters for quartz units, but I've obviously like a lot of air is still trapped in the system, and I don't know how to bleed the system, right? I try to to have this cap open. As you can see, I try to have this cap off and to make pressure on the hoses, right? I guess this small thing is for overflow, and I've noticed that it leaks around here, right? If you guys have any advice for me, like how to properly do the system, please leave your comments and instructions in the comment section down below. Yeah, and soon we will be heading to swap the dashboards, to swap the airbags, and all small stuff that has been left to be swapped. Today I actually took the hood and a bumper for painting, and not fast as I wanted to, but we're still making some progress. Right? This is the stripped interior. So if you guys like my rebuild and like my project, like this video, I would kindly appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel, because that keeps this channel alive. At the end of the day, it helps growing this community and this channel as well at the same time. So thanks everyone for watching. Enjoy this couple more minutes of a front assembly, and I will guys catch you in the next one. Peace out. It's the next day here, and last night we managed to connect the radiator with the engine, and now it's time for some coolant. Now we're gonna, like, we bought like the one that needs to be, I guess, pre-mixed or mixed with the water. Everything is ready, and yeah, beautiful, good stuff, only good stuff. So, in the back, or let me show you the English version. 50-50 mix will be good up to -37, or at 129 Celsius protection against the boil over. That's what we're doing right now, even though we're in Canada and we frequently have like these temperatures, but I don't think it's necessary to go over it. 60-40 ratio will give you -52 or 132. So yeah, let's see. We even have that gauge to check the mix. So yeah, let's see what the gauge says. Minus 37. Not bad. Exactly what does the manufacturer says. Okay, so let's add that to the vehicle.